Hello everybody, this is Kashish Chabria here. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also remember to hit the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest updates. Today's topic is dedicated on the subject of priorities. Now what is priority? Priority is an importance that you give to someone or something which is of immediate need at that moment. Now, people may give importance to their health, people may give importance to relationships, their work, their career, and so on and so forth. Say, take the classic example of a housewife, a homemaker. She gives utmost priority to the needs of her family, to the needs of her kids, her in-laws, everything, her husband. Now, a man who is working or a woman who is working, they give importance to their work, to their deadlines, to their families, so on and so forth. I would like to ask you, when was the last time you gave priority to yourself as well? Aren't you a priority too for yourself? When was the last time you were actually kind to yourself? Don't you think a me time is also important for you? Don't you feel that the moment you go back into your own space of sanctity, you need that little me time to just bounce back to the extra things that life demands out of you? When was the last time you did what you really love to do? When was the last time you gave yourself a priority over others? Being selfless, being of service to people, being of service to your family, to mankind is very important. Extremely important. At the same time, please do not ignore the priority that you got to give yourself as well. You are a priority too. Say in the process of serving to mankind, to others, what if your health takes a beating? What would you do then? Are you paying enough attention to your mental health, to your physical health, to your emotional health? Are you connecting with yourself? Spiritually, emotionally, in every way, are you connecting? Do you have the priority in your life for yourself too? If not, please start making one now on. Because at the end of the life, at the end of each person's life, we only reflect back on what we have done. There are many people who on their deathbeds have regretted not doing enough for themselves. They keep saying these lines, that they have done a lot for their families, but they have never lived their life. You do not make that mistake. Start living your life well. Earning money is very important. Relationships are important. Service to humanity and mankind is very important. Kids are important. But all this is possible when you are in the right frame of mind, when you are so good in taking care of yourself as well. Please do not consider this as selfish. Now, selfishness is different than giving yourself a priority. I'm not going and telling you out and out to just take care of yourself and ignore the rest. I'm not saying that. I'm asking you that out of your busy schedule, take out a little time to do the things that you really like to do. It could be dancing, it could be singing, it could be music, it could be walking. Anything that really makes your spirit come alive, so that you feel that you've lived the day a bit even for yourself as well. Give yourself a priority. See the changes that happen in your approach and attitude to the things of life and towards yourself too. That's all for now. Signing off, Kashish Chabria.